Woodworking 000, how not to do your woodworking. But if you need to, you can. Let's do some more crazy stuff. You're just crazy. Alright, so I've got to set the depth. Use MoFo. Set the depth. Alright. There you go. There you go. That should be right. Let's hope it's right. What? Really? I'm surprised. Fine. Huh. Why don't you split down there? I knew you'd do that. No, I'm not letting that happen. It's not happening. No, that is not happening. I don't care. I'll just glue it back together, but that's not happening. Where's my freaking saw? Where the hell is my saw? What the hell? Come on, man. Where's my saw? Come on. Where's my fucking handsaw? What? Man. Hiding, bruh. Unbelievable. I hope I didn't split it down too far because it'll be. I'm just gonna. I'll have it straight. I'm off. Damn ya. But it's alright. We're not at a fixed length, so we can adapt. Wow, that hurt my ear. Not even on par. Running on too deep. Isn't that crazy? You know I'm doing it the wrong way, but who cares? Do you care? It's crazy. These clamps don't have much power. It's crazy. Really? I'm surprised. That's terrible. Fucking you're doing terrible. Ah, that clamp is shit. I'm going to put some gloves on if I'm going to run through more through that, which I'll probably have to do. Yeah, I should draw a square line on that too. Alright, there's some refinement that's going to go on here. Technique is lazy, setup's lazy, everything's lazy. I know, it's not too bad though. And the dealio is, it'll be, what the fuck is that? It'll be like that. Like that.
Gases entering the spacecraft during re-entry, which can be a problem.
Yeah, lately I've been decided to just take my battery off when I set these things. No, why?
And if that shield is damaged by space debris, then the ship might not be able to safely.
Yes, you need to make more room, and you need to. Well, it's just it is what it is, brother.
They have rockets ready to go, so they can send up another one on fairly short notice. They need to pull the crew.
I have to do this now while I'm doing this.
Probably what will happen is the outgoing Shenzhou 20 crew is going to use Shenzhou 21 ship to come back to Earth, and then China will have to replace that ship. And of course, this isn't the first time that people have been so-called stranded in orbit or trapped in space. When Boeing's Starliner failed last year, it left the two test astronauts stuck on the International Space Station. Starliner was sent back to Earth unmanned, and it landed okay, but it wasn't
I'm confused.
worthy enough for NASA to be okay with.
Oh, that's how you want to do it.
So they just had to wait around for another ship, and there were enough craft docked at the space station, there were enough lifeboats available, that if there had been an emergency during that time period, everyone could get off the station. Now Tiangong is a little bit smaller than the International Space Station, so having 6
Alright, so we can only go so far, obviously.
Capacity a little bit. I'm sure they have plenty of life support, oxygen, all that stuff, but it's probably going to
It's obviously the wrong way.
they might not have enough very that. You might have to share the
It's gonna be
toilet,
tough.
things of that nature. So it's going to be a little bit cramped for them up here.
No, this is just crazy.
Eventually they can use their ships as extra living space, and there's also, I believe, a cargo ship dock. These are not human raised.
I'm just gonna have to go cry. Well,
Extra pressurized
I can't see.
stations. And I'm sure we'll be finding out more about
I'm gonna
this
try
as
battery
we go.
mode.
Again, this just happened a few days ago, so there's really no details available. And normally I wouldn't make a spur-of-the-moment video like this, but I happen to be traveling.
Yeah, my knee's in the way.
Open to the that could be interesting to look at. If you're a long-time viewer, you're familiar with my garage powered satellite dishes.
That's a bit crazy. Crappy.
And it's not a former radio station. The hog-wash line is more of a surplus option. Today we're going to be using this dish. This is a repurposed television dish from a recreational vehicle. And this one has been set up for the microwave S-band, which is where...
I really need glasses. I'll put my glasses
It's
on.
a motorized tracking dish, so I'll be able to automatically fire the space station as it passes overhead, and stay tuned into that during the entire pass to get the best signal.
It's really, these things are not at the right height. Everything's a bit struggly here. It's really bad. Terrible. Woodworking 000. How not to do your woodworking. But if you need to, you can. Let's do some more crazy stuff. You're just crazy. Oh. Left-handed, huh? Reckon you can saw left-handed? Huh? Oh, dude, this is a masterclass in how not to do things. How do you do it? Not like that. You're going to be wrecking the face on that. And then my glasses come off. Jesus Christ. Damn glasses won't stay on. Alright. God, glasses, mate. My phone. That's not how you do it, mate. But I want to. Oh, it's too strong. That's some amazing strength in the wood there. Come and learn how not to do woodwork. You can have one of these and take it home as a present, souvenir of your time and learning how not to do things. The challenge should be called how not to do it, how you don't do it. Don't do it like this, people. It's got to be it. Yay! I mean, that's pretty bad, but. Now, I know this is probably a long way too, so it will be, I believe you. Oh, fuck, this timber should be so dry, so follow the heater all day. There's just a bit there, needs to come off. Otherwise, you get the picture. That one's going to be screwed into the wall, so the joint's not so. Here we'll have to put it so it goes on top, which we'll try and do a dovetail on this end. I was going to go for two. I'll just go for one big one again. Yeah. How not to do your woodwork. How not to woodwork. Because wood would work if you would do it. But if you can't do it, you can't try at least.